Hey, it's here, Angelo with Angelo's Edge again. Gonna do a first time unboxing of a first aid kit. Boom! Alright, here we go. First, before I get started with this first aid kit unboxing, like, share, and subscribe to my channel and watch more of my videos. And share if you could. I'm drinking some tea, a little bit of green tea. Matches the green bag. So anyway, I was at Walmart earlier. I might edit some videos in with this. And I was actually looking at knives, imagine that. And at our Walmart, the knife selection's really going down. Yeah, it seems like they're not resupplying the pocket knives anymore. The rollback has been gone for like a month now. It's like they're not resupplying. Book. Yeah, Gerber. Just like they're not getting no new ones anymore. In the camping supplies, I want to see if they got any new knives. Last few times I've been here, it's like they're not restocking any of the knives. It's like bare shelves. Check it out. It's like I don't know what the deal is, but you don't have much selection of knives at Walmart anymore. There used to be a bunch more. Like in this section, there used to be a lot more. I was actually looking for a first aid kit or something. Here's what I bought the last time. So I'll check out some first aid kits. See what they have. I don't know. Might make my own up. 16. 20, 25 piece, 16 bucks. Or 14 bucks for this puppy. On roll. Instant cold pack. I just don't like the case. I like this case here. Yeah. On this dwindling, it's like they're not ordering the knives, or they're not coming out with them. And so I was like, well, I was starting to mess around with putting a first aid kit together. I was watching this New Age Tactical channel, which is a cool channel. If you type that up there and look at it, I might be able to link it. I don't know if I can, but it's called New Age Tactical. They do some cool stuff. But they were doing some first aid things they bought from Coleman offline. So I kind of put my own first aid kit together. And I said, I'm going to buy a new one. See what's in there. So let me get my... Hey, Vicky, can you grab my knife? I'm a knife channel, but I don't have my knife on my... The knife's sitting over there on the table over there. Believe it or not, the blue one. I don't have a knife to cut open the wire tie with me.
You should have this on your table.
Yeah, I should. A knife channel don't have a knife ready to go. So anyways, I'm gonna break this out and see what's in it. It sounded pretty cool. I think it was $16 at the wall, and it has some Cerlex. Let's open it up.
Just open it.
Let's see. Pop this off. Wire tie. Uh-oh. Maybe I should have got a pair of scissors instead of a knife.
Why isn't your knife sharp enough to cut it?
It should be. Actually, I didn't sharpen this one, but it's kind of not fitting in the... It's not fitting in there. Damn, this is not... There we go. I had to get right...
That's because
there it is.
Because I walked over here to help you.
You see?
Like, I better fix this.
You know you want to be on the video. I offered her to help me with the unboxing, but she decided... Yeah, so anyways, so I got the wire tie busted loose, so let's see. This is the drug facts with probably all the antiseptic wipe, burn cream, and all that stuff. So, and she didn't want to come in my video. I said you could sit in the captain's chair, and I'll sit in behind you and instruct you what to do. But she didn't go for that.
Quit talking about me.
All right, so here's the first aid kit. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, that's kind of cool. All right. It's got, I don't know if I want to go through everything. There's a lot in here. Oh, okay. Well, shit. It's one of them things that I start taking down, I'll never be able to see. That came in it. I'll just start taking stuff out. So you got cold compress, emergency blanket, a first aid guide. I have to go kind of fast because I'm sure it's this is going to be a 10-minute video without me even trying. So it's a guide, some first aid, some gauze, 4x4, 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 gauze pad, a big ABD pad. I don't even know what the heck that is. So that's there and that. So we'll stick this all sterile extra. So anyways, if you guys are watching this and you guys want to put in the comments what you guys have in your first aid kits, that'd be cool. This is just what I kind of want to use this as a start. I'm gonna see what's all in here, and I'm gonna show you what I have in my other first aid kit. I'm gonna try to combine them two together. Believe this, you just you crush it up and then it turns it cold. So it's like having an ice pack, but without the ice. So it's a cold compress. So that's what's in that side. Cool. So this side has, I'm guessing this must be the aspirin and burn cream and stuff like that. Alright, so lots of Band-Aids. This came with quite a bit of stuff. So let me get rid of this first aid kit. I think I'm going to be able to stuff this real nice. So lots of Band-Aids. We got antibiotic ointment, insect protection cream, sunscreen lubricant, lotion, sunscreen lotion, burn cream, lip balm, burn cream, lip balm, protect poison ivy, oak cleanser towel. Also, butterfly closer. Are some of these? Are those them? No, it's just like a butterfly closer. So I was hoping it was like going to be one of them. More Band-Aids. So that's what's in there. We're gonna slide this stuff kind of over here. Oh shit! Dropped my emergency blanket on the floor. Alright, so that was what was in that one. So you got some gloves, a pair of gloves. Let's just dig this out. Man, they got a lot. It's actually a lot of stuff in this. For 16 bucks, it ain't too bad. Oh yeah, alright. Alright, I just took everything out now. So there's the gloves, looks like some tape, tweezers, pull splinters out, some Q-tips, safety pins. I think I think they're more for splints, say if you break your finger. I don't think they're tongue depressors, but they kind of remind me of tongue depressors from the doctor. But I think they're meant to be splints. Alcohol wipes, bunch of alcohol wipes, lots of alcohol wipes. So that's cool. So steroid. This is probably like where you got a blister. I think blister pads. More wipes. More wipes. And this is insect sting relief and Silvex wound dressing gel. First aid management, minor cuts, lacerations, 1 to 2 degrees. So it's like just all together stuff. So that's, this comes out. It looks like it actually comes out. So you could have like small, so that kind of sits in here like that, and you can take it apart. So that's that. Let me try to put some. That's one of my things. Look like it got stuck on. Well, shit. It looks like it's supposed to be here. So, anyways, all right. So, man, this is really packed in here. I want to show you what I got in my other one. See if I can just do a real quick show. I'm going to try to combine these two together. So I have this in my other one. I got sunscreen. I got a knife, the cut stuff, Band-Aids. I got a lot of the stuff already here. I got actually tampons just in case you got like a deep puncture wound or a gunshot wound or something. You can stick those in, I think, and they'll come. You know, I'm not a doctor, but it soaks up blood. I got basically a lot what this other one had, but I have a little extra stuff. Some tape, some rubber gloves. Yeah, so, and I got like on the back side, I got Swiss Army knife. So I'm going to try combining these two together and have them kind of my own first aid kit I carry with me every day in my backpack or in the car. Definitely have it. I have this Altoids can. I'm going to try to put smaller stuff in here, and then I'm going to try to combine it all into this pack here. So it's all together. But that's the unboxing of the, it don't really have a name. The only name I seen on the back was, on the outside it says Be Smart, Get Prepared. I don't know if that's the label, but that's what all the things that Be Smart, Get Prepared. So that must be the label on that must be the brand, because everything has that emblem. So, but yeah, I'd like to see in comments what else you guys would put in a first aid kit and other things. I'm really new to the first aid kit. I'm not a doctor, not a nurse, not an EMT, but if anybody is like into that type of stuff, you can throw some comments my way and maybe we'll learn some stuff. All right, have a good day. Bye.